Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at how to better use Vizard's template feature when generating clips from your uploaded videos. Start by creating a new project and uploading your video. If you're happy with Vizard's preset templates, you can simply choose one you like and apply it right away. But if you want something more personalized, you can create your own. Just click Add Template to start customizing. In the Layout section, you can decide how your visuals behave, whether they automatically adapt to your video content, fill the frame, fit within it, or explore more styles under Other. For subtitles, there are multiple styles to choose from. Let's choose this one as an example. And if none of them feel quite right, you can go into advanced settings to create a fully custom subtitle style. The headline section works the same way, giving you flexibility to match your overall design. When it comes to the background, you can either upload your own or select from Vizard's built-in options. Let's set this picture as the background. Finally, both logo and outro require your own uploads. These elements help make your videos more distinctive and improve overall brand recognition. Choose your own template and hit Get AI Clips, then we will see the final results after making all the settings on templates. And that's how you can efficiently use templates during clip generation to create a consistent and polished look.